नमस्ते.
हाँ.
खुश रहो बिटिया.
जी
Today's
नमस्ते.
topic is obesity. Overweight refer to increased body weight in relation to height when compared to some standard or acceptable or desired weight. Obesity is defined as excessively high amount of body fat in relation to lean body mass. Cause of obesity: energy intake, energy expenditure. A nutritional activity level, endocrine, genetic, drugs, caloric balance, energy imbalance. What is it? Energy imbalance can be compared to a scale to energy imbalance arise when the number of calories consumed is not equal to the number of calories used by the body. Weight gain usually involves the combination of consuming the too many calories and not expending enough through physical activity. Effect in the body: excess energy is strong in fat cell which enlarge or multiply. Enlargement of fat cell is known as hypertrophy, whereas multiplication of fat cell is known as hyperplasia. With time, excess in energy storage lead to obesity. Fat cell enlargement, hypertrophy. Enlargement fat cell produce the clinical problem associated with obesity due to the following: the weight or mass of the extra fat, to increase secretion of free fatty acid and peptide from enlarged fat cells. Theory of obesity: genetic, high calories and high fat diet, insufficient energy expenditure, environment and lifestyle, lipoprotein, lipase, leptin, gene, drugs and disease. Health risks: psychological burden, osteoarthritis, high blood pressure, increased level of cholesterol, diabetes, increased heart disease, cancer, stroke, DVT, renal disease, sleep apnea, menstrual irregularities, gallbladder disease. Criteria for excessive body fat: percentage of body mass composed of fat, regional fat distribution, adipocyte size and number. Indication for obesity treatment: symptom condition caused by obesity, aggravated by obesity, unrelated but to obesity. The caused by obesity is primary, aggravated by obesity secondary, or unrelated to obesity tertiary. Dieting set point theory: early weight loss is largely water. Step point theory: a weight regulating mechanism located in the hypothalamus of the brain regulated how much the body should weight. Set point: set the amount of body fat is considered necessary and work tirelessly to maintain it. Set point function like a thermostat. It detects fluctuation in weight and makes adjustment in energy, metabolism, appetites. Set point theory: the set point has a profound effect on amount of food you eat. As you lose weight, it signals. As you gain weight, appetite. As you overeat, trigger body to fast. As you don't eat enough, trigger body to conserve. Exercise prescription: type aerobic exercise and resistance training. Duration 40 minutes. Frequency 4 to 5 days. Intensity HRD. Where EHR exercise heart rate is beat per minute. DI desired exercise intensity or desired percentage of VO2 max expressed as decimal. HRR heart rate range of maximal heart rate minute resting heart rate, and RHR resting heart rate. Maximal heart rate for the obese can be estimated by the formula 200. High intensity versus low intensity. Thank you.